Fernando was stuck, a designer from Argentina, unsure about the future, juggling small projects. Each day he saw one problem repeating. Creators on Instagram were struggling to make engaging visual content and wasting hours trying to design it. So he had an idea. What if I could help them create beautiful content automatically? That simple question led to a tool, aicarousels.com. Built in 10 days, launched quietly, and now it earns $5,000 per month, helping thousands of creators save time and grow faster. No big team, no viral launch, just a clear problem, a simple solution, and smart use of tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and a simple one-page website builder. These are the exact tools people around the world are using today, not just to solve problems, but to earn real income. So don't skip this video, because by the end, you'll not only understand how Fernando did it, but you'll also walk away with the tools, the examples, and the blueprint to start building your own AI-powered business right now in 2025. 2025 is different. We've entered a new era where you don't need to be a coder, you don't need a degree, you don't need huge investments to start something. What you need is clarity. Clarity on what problem are people facing. How can AI solve it better, faster, or cheaper? That's it. Every successful startup you admire today started with one basic problem. Uber, get a ride fast. Canva, design without a designer. Now in 2025, AI helps you do these things without huge budgets or teams. Here's the exact formula being used by thousands of new age entrepreneurs. Problem multiplied by AI multiplied by simplicity is equals to scalable business. Boom. Let me break that down. Problem, something real, annoying, and repeated. AI, a tool that helps solve it automatically. Simplicity, no overbuilding, just get it working fast. Let me give you some real-world examples. Busy content creators, AI-powered carousel generator like Fernando. Personal trainers, AI-based client onboarding tool, personalized training schedule. Small businesses, text content in their website, social media platform captions, written instantly with ChatGPT. Students, study planner or learning curve auto-generated with Notion AI. These aren't fantasy ideas. These are live businesses running today, quietly earning thousands. Now here's where things get really real. Because next, I'm going to show you the exact tools that people like Fernando, creators and freelancers are using every day to turn ideas into income. And trust me, once you see how easy this toolkit is, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Okay, now you have an idea. You found a problem you want to solve. But here comes the question everyone asks. Where do I even start? Here's the good news. In 2025, you don't need to hire a team or know how to code. You just need to know the right tools and how to use them smartly. So let's break it down one by one. Tool number one, ChatGPT, your thinking partner. Think of this as your co-founder in your pocket. You can ask it to brainstorm business ideas, write social media posts or ad copy, generate cold DMs to reach out to potential clients, even write a step-by-step plan for your product launch. For example, ChatGPT, write a 3-day content plan for yoga trainers using Instagram Reels. Done. It writes it for you. It saves time. It gives you clarity. And it works for any niche. Tool number two, Canva plus Magic Studio. Design made easy. You don't need to hire a designer. Canva is a free online tool that lets you create logos, posters, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails. Use AI to auto-generate designs. Access thousands of templates. And Magic Studio, built into Canva, helps you remove backgrounds, enhance images, instantly transform visuals to match your brand. For example, want to attract customers for your business? Just type free meal plan guide. Pick a template, customize, done. Boom, you are done. Tool number three, Framer or Card will help you. Make a website in 1 hour. Want to show people your idea or offer? You need a landing page. Framer and Card are drag and drop tools that let you build beautiful, modern websites without code. For example, you're offering AI content writing for dentists. With Card, you can add a photo, Write 2 to 3 lines about your service. Add a Get in Touch button. Link your WhatsApp or Google form. All done in under an hour. Cost? Less than your OTT subscription. Tool number 4. Zapier or Make will do the automation magic. Once people start signing up or messaging you, you'll want to automate repetitive tasks. Zapier and Make are like digital assistants. They can send an auto reply when someone fills out your form, add their email to a list, send them a welcome PDF, notify you on WhatsApp. For example, someone signs up for your free ebook. Boom, Zapier sends them the link, plus adds their email to your newsletter. Automation saves time, more focus on growing. Tool number 5. Tally and Notion AI will help you with product creation and management. Let's say you're ready to create a digital product, a workbook, a training guide, a client onboarding form. Tally is a simple form builder. Notion AI helps you organize ideas and even write content. Together, they help you collect info, build ebooks, create client questionnaires, plan content calendars. For example, you're selling a 30-day fitness plan. Use Notion AI to write it. Use Canva to design it. Use Tally to collect customer info. Use Gumroad to sell it. All tools, no coding, no headache. Tool number 6. Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy will help to sell your product. Now you're ready to sell. Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy are platforms where you can upload your product, set your price, share the link, start earning instantly. For example, you build a content calendar generator for coaches, upload it to Gumroad, share the link in your Instagram bio. People buy, money in your account. You don't need a big launch. You just need a clear offer and a simple link. Just a quick recap of all the tools we have covered. These tools won't build the business for you, but they remove every excuse. If you've got the idea, this is your toolkit. Everything else, you can figure out along the way. Here's how you test if your idea can work without wasting months building it. Go to ChatGPT, ask it, what are 5 common problems fitness coaches face on Instagram? Pick one problem, ask, how can I solve this using AI? Write a 2-line offer. I help fitness coaches generate 30 days of content in 10 minutes using AI. Build a 1-page site using Card. Share it in Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, WhatsApp groups. If people comment, share, click, or DM you, you're on the right track. Don't build blindly, test first. Once you've validated your idea, it's time to sell it simply. Create a digital product or service. Use Gumroad or Notion to host it. Accept payments via Stripe, Razorpay. Ask ChatGPT to write your outreach messages. DM 100 ideal customers. Share results, case studies, success stories. Keep iterating. Remember, it's not about going viral. It's about solving one small problem really well for 10 people, then 100, then 1,000. Let's be honest. Most people don't start because they think they need more. More time, more skills, more money, more permission. But the truth is, every success story you admire started with less. Less clarity, less confidence, less resources. What they had was one decision. I'll start anyway. Maybe you don't have a fancy degree. Maybe you've never started a business before. Maybe you're doing this from a small rented room, on a secondhand laptop, in between jobs or responsibilities. That's okay, because you don't need to be perfect to begin. You just need to begin. Look, AI is not just for tech people. It's not just for Silicon Valley. It's not just for the loudest voices on social media. It's for the quiet action takers. The ones who don't just scroll past opportunity, they build with it. So if you've ever said to yourself, I know I can do more with my life, I just don't know where to start, this is your start. Comment below with your first idea, even if it's rough. Subscribe if you're serious about learning the real tools, the real mindset, and the real stories that actually create change. Because the next success story might just be you. If this story inspired you, you'll love this next one. Click here to watch another journey that proves anything is possible.